Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the carburetor from your lawnmower. The carburetor is located behind the air filter. I'll remove the air filter cover and the filter. Now I have access to the nuts to secure the air filter base. I'll go ahead and remove them. And I'll remove the base. I'll also remove the gasket for the air filter base. Next, I need to remove the fuel line from the carburetor. I'll turn the fuel off, or if your mower doesn't have a shutoff valve, I'll use a clamp to clamp the fuel line. And now I'll remove the fuel line. Now I can remove the carburetor from the mower. And I'll disconnect the linkages.